You're receiving this video because you had a personalized private consultation with one of our top experts in reference to, remember, the microstrand technology, okay? And evidently, it wasn't a good time for you to place your order. So I want to explain to you about another option. You might be eligible for a model option. Here's what a model option is. You're agreeing, after you get this technology, you should know about it now, all right, because you had that personalized consultation. So after you get it, as long as you're thrilled with it, you're agreeing to provide before and after pictures. By providing before and after pictures, it helps us, so you get a large discount in reference to that. So you have to be okay with that. It's a personalized thing. Some people don't want to do it. If you want to do it and even block out your face, we can do that. So if we use your face, we give more of a discount. If we block out your face, we give a little less. And if you're willing to do a before and after picture, provide it for us, and also give us a video testimonial in your own opinion why you love this, then you're going to get even a larger discount. So you should check with us to see if you're eligible, and as long as we have the availability. Here's the reason why. We don't always have the availability. At times we go, hey, we need 5 more before and after pictures. We need another bundle of 4 more here, you know? So it kind of goes in spurts. Sometimes we have the availability where we're looking for additional before and after pictures, and sometimes we're filled up and we don't need them for a while. Although, nevertheless, contact us, because if you weren't in a position to order at the time of your consultation, you should follow up and say, I'm interested in doing a modeling, and find out what your options are. And there'll be more than one option. Remember, there'll be the option of before and after pictures without your face, before and after pictures with your face, before and after pictures with a video testimonial. And there'll also be an option that you should look into, hey, what other size options could I get that might even lower the price and more of your comfort zone? So there's a lot of options. So you should contact us and find out about these options, because maybe it's a better fit for you, or maybe it's a better fit for you at this time. So I hope that was very helpful.